English version, class 5, chapter 9, number 1. Number 1, the marks obtained in mathematics by the student of grade 5, 15, 34, 95, 80, 48, 55, 77 sub number. That number A, arrange the data in ascending order. Ascending order means lowest to highest. Lowest to highest in ascending order we can make 34, 35, 38, 40, and then 43, 48, 50, 52, 54, 55, 61, 64, 65, 72, 76, 77, 80, 81, 82, 83, 85, 87, 88, 92, 95, 95, 97, and 99. Number A is complete. Then number B. What is the highest and the lowest mark obtained in the mathematics? Then highest 99 and lowest 34. Then we can highest HI G is highest 99 and lowest 34. Number C, let us make a table with a class interval of 10 is data. Then they say class interval 10. Okay, we make a table, means class interval marks and frequency. Class interval that 12, 10. Okay, and that means 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, and 90 to 99. Then we decide in 30 to 39. That means how many students got 30 to 39? 34, 35, 35, and 38. 38. This is 38. That means 3 students got 39. and 40, 40, 49, 48. 1, 2, 3, 4 students. Then 50 to 59 to 4. So that means 50, 52, 54, 55. That means 4 students got. And 62, 61, 64, 65. 3 students. 70, 72, 76, 77. 3 students. 80, 81, 82, 83, 85, 87, 88. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students. 92, 95, 95, 97, and 99. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means total 30 students. 30 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 30 students. Okay. Then number D. In number D, let us draw a historic diagram. Okay. It means they tell us draw a table and all of information in this. Okay, that means we can draw a diagram. In students, we can say students, one number of students, and range marks, then marks we can decide this type. How much? 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99. Then how many students got this? 3. If you mark this in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 3. Then 3 students got this, and then 4 students got this, and then again 4 students, 3 students, 3 students, 7 students, 4, 5, 6, 7 students got this, and 5 students got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we can color this. This is the historic diagram. Hope you understand. If you cannot understand, please message or comment.